Right, I've done a bit of lifting of the carpet. It was pretty wet. I think there's an issue with the sunroof or the drainage or something. I was a bit worried. It could have been, the floor could be better. I'll show you what I found. The back's pretty cool, pretty good. I took the sound deadening out because you can't really see what's happening under there. We've got a hole here, which I think is a fixing for the heat shield from the exhaust. So that's not too bad, I can sort that out. We've got a bit of, it's starting to go, but I think that's catchable. That could be done. I can cut that out and put a new piece in. Yeah, that's not too difficult to do, and then you just get more and more. That can be sorted. I'm not too concerned about that. And over there's a bit of dark, but that's actually gone through. That needs patching. But along the seam, it's not too bad. It's just, this is a bad piece, and I know I've had a poke around underneath. If it's all this sort of amount of work to do, it's not putting me off. I'm still quite happy to persevere and do it. If it's, I'll have to have a look at the other side and see how bad that is, and hopefully it's not too bad either. The carpet is very wet. I want to leave it like this so it sort of airs it out a bit. But this is in so much better condition than my other one was, which you just have to take it each part at a time. You know, you can spend an evening doing a couple of patches and just keep it going. Let's just try not to lose the momentum. Right, I'll do another one when I pull the other side up.